Hey, what's up guys? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back to the channel. So as you may or may not know, I was at BMW Invasion last week, and one of the snags that I ran into on this car was the car went into lip mode in the driveway. Snag number one, which I reset and I didn't have to deal with again, but I will check that. Snag number two is the window. Regulator died. All right, so I ordered one right away. It is here, and I'm going to install it today. So let's see how that goes. The other thing I want to do is the sunroof. I've been having some issues with the sunroof. It doesn't lay flat. I tried to reset it. It worked for a minute, but I think what it needs is a realignment. So I have to pop it out. I do have another BMW. I think I'm going to swap the sunroof. So I will do that too. More than likely I'll do that in a different video, but for this video, we're gonna do the window regulator. Let me show you the actual window regulator. I picked it up on eBay. It was not brand new. I don't know if I cheaped out, but I figured to try it anyways and let's see if it works. So here it is. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe a little dirty. Has the motor. But should work. So first things first is take the door panel off, remove the door panel. Let's see what's going on back there. And then hopefully we can do this today. So I have my trusty panel popper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this panel here, right, to expose some of the screws. Okay, now that we have that off, so I got all the wires hanging, the door's disconnected, we're gonna remove this stuff and we'll move half just the top, just to let it hang. And then we'll see what the actual regulator looks like and see what we gotta remove. Okay, so we're now with a flathead screwdriver. You're going to release the window from these white clips. See a slot where the window is being pinched by this white clip. You just push that. There you go. And now the window is off that little track. What I'm gonna do for now is just take my panel popper and then just put it there as a brake. Now I gotta figure out how to remove everything with the window still there. There's our issue. This was totally disconnected. I could probably just reuse it. Should go there. But looks like something came loose. Okay, so the replacement should go like this. So the cables are crossed. So I just got to figure out a way to place it behind that door, or this frame here. Okay, so now we have to lower the window slowly into those white clips. Snapped into place. All right, the window closed all the way. I may have to reset it once this is all in place, but for now I'm gonna bolt everything up, tighten everything up, put everything back to normal. Okay, pretty much done. I'm just gonna test it out. Let's hit the button. It works, guys. It works. Goes all the way up. Now I just gotta figure out how to... Oh, the automatic works too. Does it go all the way up, guys? Bingo. Okay. So that does it. That's it. Let me show you the old regulator so you can see what happened. So window's all done. Let me show you what happened to the old regulator. So this is the old. Now it's supposed to be crossed, like these cables are supposed to be crossed. This should be on this side, like that. somehow got loose. Maybe it snapped, maybe something was holding this on. It snapped off. And then once that happened, then the pulley system was useless. So that'll do it for this video. I mean, the regulator's done. I'm super happy. I mean, the car's been sitting here for, I don't know, four days. It's been raining. I can't go out. You know, I'm dying to drive it. So now that that's done, now I'm gonna work on the sunroof. I'm gonna replace it. I have a 320. I'm gonna swap the sunroofs just because I don't like the rubber around this one here on the 335. And that should be super easy. So that'll be on the next video. That'll do it for this video. Quick replacement of the window regulator. Again, I grabbed the window regulator on eBay. I forget how much I paid for it. It wasn't terribly expensive. I know that the OEM is super expensive, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. I mean, that'll do it for this video, but guys, check it out. Pass inspection, boys. So you know what that means. Intercooler, charge pipe, high flow cat, exhaust. I mean, we're gonna do it up. We're gonna do it up. I actually have the boxes right here. All right, sitting right there on the floor. All right, so that's coming. That'll be in the next couple videos. Until then, guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.